Okay, so it's been a while and I wanted to kind of do another little overview. Antbox iPad Pro, iPad Air 3, third generation protective case. Antbox. With a pen holder. I do not have the Apple Pencil though. There's the brand new iPad Air 3, which by the way, I'm glad that I got when I did because the new model was announced today for $100 more with only Wi-Fi. Way to go, Apple. Not going to do an overview on the iPad Air 3. There's 100 of them out there. You can find plenty of information on this tablet. But this is mostly just about this protective case. Let's do something quick and simple here. And with the help of my trusty lazy companion here, maybe he would help out. No, he's not going to help us. I've already cut this open so I can get it open easier. This thing's like a book. There we go. This will fit the 10.5-inch iPad Pro and 10.5-inch iPad Air 3. My other assistant has decided to join me. They love plastic bags. Let's see. That's the magnetic case thing that flips over. You guys should do more unboxings with me on a regular basis. I want to see how this fits. This is the front. Magnetic closure, so you can close it for the sleep-wake function. Oh, what's this? Look at that. They even throw in a complimentary screen cleaner. Yeah. You can never have enough of those. Discard that. Apple Pencil holder. Apple Pencil cap cover. I don't know everything here. I don't have that. This is also flexible. It's not that hard plastic, so you don't have to worry too much about it damaging anything. All right, well, let's slip this bad boy in here and see. Better yet, let's just do a full rotation here so I've got more room. Okay. Never ever buy one of these without some kind of protection. These things are just way too expensive. Just kind of gently push it in. Done. Okay. Voila. Like it. Everything lines up good. Perfect fit. Perfect fit. Some people said theirs didn't. I guess I got lucky. Antbox. Never even heard of them until recently. See if it does the wake up function. Maybe. Sleep wake button is okay, it's responsive. Volume buttons are responsive. Okay, it wakes it. Not bad. Microfiber feeling very good. Always committed to bringing the best experience to you. That is neat. That is very, very nice. Quick overview of the box. Yeah, well, that's a plus. With pen holder. Okay, well, I'm fairly impressed. The Antbox iPad Pro 10.5/Air 3 case with pen holder. About $23 on Amazon. Not a bad deal, really. It should hold up. Guess I don't have to use this anymore to protect it. Alright, well, this was just meant to be a quick overview. So, thanks for watching.